you made of? Oh, and that red button? Don't even dream of pushing it. That kind of shooting is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go!
Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire! Our shipment of alien bad guys has landed smack dab in the middle of Manhattan.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Keep your eyes open. They can be hiding just about anywhere. They're packing some serious heat. Time to roll up the welcome mat and show these misfits what we're made of. Getting a bit hairy out there. Better split up. It's an ambush.
That was a little close, but be alright. Everybody still in one piece? Good.
Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB fleet. Set up an X-ray checkpoint. This won't hurt a bit.
Bioscan initiated. Warning. Alien life forms detected.
Look out. The other car is full of bugs. Aim for the fusion exhaust port. What are you waiting for? An engraved invitation? Blast them!
I don't know what I thought.
Oh boy. Only one thing left to do. Push the red button.
I'll have a red button.
Crisis mode engaged. Deploying subatomic thermal disruptor in 3, 2, 1.
My red button didn't work.
MIB material. You are too. The most inexperienced bunch of folks ever said.